In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a voiceover to Pictory. If you're new to this platform or just want to ensure you're doing it right, you're in the perfect place. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Pictory AI, the home of AI video editing technology. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in, but for a smooth experience, you'll want to click on Continue with Google. This makes logging in easy and secure, especially if you already have your Google account set up in your browser. After logging in, you'll land on the Pictory homepage. Here, look towards the menu and click on Projects. This is the section where you can view and manage all of your video projects. Once you're in the Projects area, you'll want to find the project you're currently working on. Now you'll notice three little dots next to your project. This is your gateway to more options. Go ahead and click on those dots. It's here that you'll find Edit Project. Selecting this option is crucial as it takes you into the project edit mode where you can refine your video details and add elements such as your audio files. Next, once inside your project, turn your attention to the menu and click on Audio. The Audio tab is typically where you manage all the sound components of your video, like music and voiceovers. Within the audio section, you'll see an option for Uploads. Click on it. This page allows you to upload your very own audio files to overlay or integrate into your video project on Pictory. Here comes the fun part. You'll find a large clickable area labeled Click to Upload, or if you prefer, you can also drag and drop your audio file directly from your drive into this space. Simply select your voiceover recording from your files and watch as it uploads into the project seamlessly. With that, you have now successfully uploaded your voiceover into your Pictory project. This voiceover can now be edited and synced with your video timeline as needed, ensuring your final video product is polished and professional. I hope this guide was helpful for your video editing endeavors on Pictory. Feel free to revisit any part of the process if you need a refresher, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and happy editing.